We have to cut the grass still?
Yeah.
After we're done all this field?
Yep.
We're gonna be here for 2 days.
What?
Yeah.
We're going to cut this for 2 days?
Yes, that's how slow we're going. Because of the rain, remember?
Oh. Uncle,
Yes.
after we're all done this field, I'm going to cut the grass.
Okay, we'll cut the grass after we're done this field. We have made our way onto the canola. We aren't done the wheat. We got rained out. 4/10 of rain, leaving us with just over 200 acres of wheat left. So that's kind of a kick in the shorts. But the canola is running pretty good. 40s. Just started. Anywhere from 40 to 50. Sometimes it says 55, but not very often, so can't complain about the canola yields. This field is in Vigor L356. We did one other field of canola so far in Vigor L340. So this is a later maturing canola field, but they're running pretty similar for yield. And now they're forecasting 1 inch of rain for tomorrow, starting tonight. So it's a race against the clock. See how much we can get done today. It's supposed to be hot. We're starting a lot earlier this morning than yesterday. We didn't start till noon yesterday. But that's kind of how the weather patterns are in September. You do a little bit in August, and then it's rain in the middle of September, then kind of clears out, and then you finish up in October. And that's kind of what we predicted from the start. We had a leak on that header yesterday. The hose going to the cross auger motor is leaking everywhere on that end shield. So lost quite a bit of oil. So we re-added this morning. What are we at for moisture here? 7.3. It was down to 6 last night. We started at 11.5. Any noise on that header?
So far, so good, I think.
I actually sprayed quite a bit of fungicide on canola this year, more than I ever have before, because it looked really good. And then it got hot and dry, and then it didn't look very good, but it's still pretty good. Anyway, this field was sprayed with Cotegra, however you want to say it. And then I stopped spraying that because it was too much money, and then I switched to Proline. So I don't know if you'll see a difference in those products. Looks like a decent sample. I thought the seeds would be smaller, kind of like pepper, but they're not. They're actually a decent size. Is it heavy chewing by the yard over there?
It's standing good here.
There's a half section here. So we did that quarter, working on this corner. There's the fence line. I sprayed this quarter with Cotegra, and I sprayed half of that one. So the north half was not sprayed. Check out my yield map. To the left, where it's all red, not sprayed. Here, green. That's the yield difference. There's the line. Right there. I didn't even have it flagged or nothing. But it was 40 to 45 bushels to the north. Now it's mid-50s. It's crazy how you can make that much of a difference. Maybe there is some truth to it. The canola's dry, but not too dry. It's cutting well. It's cutting good. going along the sprayer tracks. Both combines are rolling. The other header is fixed with that new O-ring. Got the yield bump from fungicide. The only thing to ruin the vibe is this system that's building to the south and is supposed to hit in a couple hours. So hopefully that goes east. Might just catch the edge, or it might just fizzle out. So we'll see how that plays out. Couple drops on the windows, but I think this first cell is going to go east. Just on the edge of this one. It's the one tonight that's still coming. That is a 2-day soaker. This half section's done. Now we are going to drive through the yard. We gotta pass through the yard, have supper, and another quarter is just on the other side of the yard. So we're on our way over there. Before the rain, the cloud skipped us, but tomorrow's rain is gonna hit us hard. Forecast there hasn't changed. 100% chance of 30 to 40 millimeters, so I sure hope it is not that much. This is the remaining wheat that we have left. It's already pretty flat and lodged. Not gonna be pretty after the rain tomorrow. Okay, a couple hours later, I'm just out joyriding on the golf cart. It's warm, it's humid, east wind, the rain's coming. We filled everything up, trucks are all full. Now we're filling the bed, moving the auger. For a week now, it's been raining off and on. We have nephew Connor here, waiting patiently to go combining. Do you think the canola is going to be dry?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was borderline the last couple days, but we've had some showers. But today is supposed to be warm, plus 26, and then tomorrow plus 30. So should get a good little stretch here to go combining.
Uncle, you were talking to.
This is the start of the canola field that got hailed earlier, and you can see the canola starting to germinate on the ground. Hey, what's up?
You're talking.
I'm talking to the people.
To me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Oh.
Do you see all the canola on the ground? It's all green. You see that?
Yeah.
It's starting to grow already.
Yeah.
And it's just gonna get worse the more west we go.
Yeah.
Yep. Do you like combining so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else did you do while you were here?
Your son.
There's Todd. Golf cart. You went on the golf cart? Yeah, you went on. What else did you go on?
Gator.
Gator, yeah. Auntie's gonna come unload us. Almost there. Okay, whenever you're ready. Yep. Good job. Good one, right in the middle, buddy.
I'm going to do this and this. That. I want to do all of that. Oh, not empty yet.
Window's dirty, hey?
Yeah, it's not empty yet.
Look at all the canola growing on the ground there. You
Oh.
see that? Pretty bad, hey? From the hail. It's like a carpet.
Yeah, that's like for me to sit on the carpet.
Yeah, you should sit on the carpet.
That's silly. That's where deer sleep?
Where the deer sleep? Sometimes they do sleep in here, yeah.
Oh.
That's a path. Not that path. This is the sprayer path.
Oh. You sprayed it one time?
Yeah, I sprayed it a few times actually.
Oh, I can help you.
You wanted to help me? Well, you missed it. Maybe next year. When you're looking into the sun, then you can finally see how the pod pods are all white, busted open. But the yield is actually surprising. 30s. Moisture has finally dropped way down, half of what it was from this morning, and the ground is just green. Look at that. There's canola germinated everywhere. So all this here got touched, and then on the other side of the creek, you can see where the hail went and where it didn't. On this side of the hill, maybe a little bit greener, or a little bit protected from the hill, not as white. Look at all the canola germinated. This money could have been in my jeans. Instead it's on the ground. It's so dusty. Can't see anything out of this window. So when you stop to get your supper, if you can remember, stop and clean off the windows and mirror and the lights. Because in an hour you're gonna need your lights, and they're all black. Is that his legs?
Yeah.
He's got one leg.
Huh?
Where's the other leg? Oh.
Now he's going to get bigger and just like you.
Just like me.
He's going to get so big. He's going to get so bigger. Look at, he's big.
Nice.
He's bigger. I want to leave it. Can I go?
Yeah, leave it. Leave it for Todd to see. I made myself a canola bale. It's wrapped around my cross auger. And it is tight. So tight that it stopped turning on me. Okay, let's munch this bale. Put it through.